Here's how to get started with GPTZero on Microsoft 360 on the cloud. So let's say we have our document open in our web browser on Word. All we have to do is go to the add-in section, more add-ins, type in GPTZero. Now we can just add it to Word, and here it is right on the sidebar. So all we have to do is log in, although you can get started for free, no account necessary. Let's put in our saved email, and here we go. Now, we just highlight a text, get the results. You can see everything here, right in our editor. That allows us to do much quicker grading when we're reading documents directly from Word. All right, now if we want to log out, we just go to the add-in, find it right here, log out. That's it.